The most effective component of any internet marketing plan is almost certainly the strategic use of SEO techniques. Websites that get the best rankings from search engines naturally tend to get the most traffic. This article contains helpful SEO advice that you may use to improve your search rankings. RSS feeds can be a valuable addition to your site when they relate to its content. Be sure that your RSS feeds are updated frequently, as this shows search engine spiders that you are always adding new content. This feed can be a place where you post info about topics related to your product. Try to get your viewers to subscribe to the RSS feeds on your site as well. Include transcripts of any streaming media like audio or video on your site in order to help the search engines rank your content. If you include audio and video transcripts on your site, search engines will be able to include that content to determine search rankings. Your page rank will be higher if visitors spend more time on your website. If people stay on your website for a long time, they are far more likely to come back later, which means your visit count goes up and your search rankings improve. If you want to farm your SEO out to a third party, do a background check on the company first. There are many fly-by-night companies that claim to do internet marketing and SEO consulting, but they do sloppy work for way too much money. Read reviews of SEO companies and see what other people have to say about them before you commit to buying hundreds or thousands of dollars worth of services. Your bottom line will thank you. Think about ways people might search for your website, and be sure to incorporate those keywords and phrases into your site that will help them find you. You want to use them strategically in both content and the titles, but be wary of oversaturating your site with the keywords. You don't want to be flagged as a possible spam site. Increasing SEO is a game of patience. You will not see an immediate increase in traffic to your website. Especially if you have a brand new website, the optimization process may not show results for months. Online business is no different from offline business. Either way, it is going to take time to build your brand. Make sure that incoming links, as well as links within your site, use keyword phrases as anchor text. Using keywords is essential to rank higher in search engine results. You also want search engine spiders to recognize your relevant keywords. Check your website to make sure that your internal links have proper keywords in their anchor text. Keep in mind search engine algorithms change often, and what will work today may not work on a continuous basis. As a result, you should always try to keep up with the latest news from the search engine optimization industry in order to ensure that your website retains its high ranking.